In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively record and share your prototype using screen recording tools. Learning to document and present your interactive designs seamlessly is crucial for conveying your ideas with clarity and precision, whether you're showcasing a project to clients, collaborating with your team, or simply preserving your work for future reference. First things first, open your prototype and switch to presentation mode. This mode is designed to offer a clean and clutter-free view of your design, ensuring that the focus remains solely on the interaction and interface. Presentation mode is particularly useful because it highlights the user experience exactly as intended, without the distractions of editing tools or other UI elements. So double-check your prototype for any last-minute adjustments to ensure it's presentation ready. Now, it's time to choose a screen recording tool. If you're on macOS, you can utilize the built-in screen recording feature by using the shortcut Command plus Shift plus 5, which provides you with handy options for screen capture. Windows users can leverage the game bar by pressing Windows key plus G, or perhaps use a dedicated recording app like OBS Studio or Camtasia, which offer more advanced settings and flexibility. Whichever tool you select, make sure it's configured to capture not just the video, but the audio if your presentation involves voiceover explanations or background sounds. With your chosen recording tool ready to go, start recording and navigate through your prototype. This is the perfect opportunity to showcase the flow and interactivity of your design in action. Move through each screen and interaction intentionally as if you're guiding a viewer, highlighting key features and functionalities that differentiate your design. Allow each interaction to be clear and deliberate, avoiding rushed movements that might confuse viewers later on. Additionally, if you're recording audio, narrate your process and decisions, offering insights into design choices and potential iterations. Once you've completed your presentation and feel confident in the recording, save and export your video file. When naming your file, consider using a structured format such as project name and date, making it easy to locate and reference. Depending on your screen recording tool, you should have options to export in various formats like MP4 or MOV, choosing one that ensures quality while being easily shareable. Make sure to review the final video to confirm that all parts of your prototype were captured accurately. Finally, you're ready to share your recorded prototype. Whether you're uploading it to a shared drive, attaching it to an email, or dropping it into a team chat, ensure that your audience knows exactly why it's worth their time and attention. With your file saved and ready to go, you've successfully documented a vital part of your design process. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy recording!